What's up, Arts and Learning Conservatory? My name is Ian Escalante, and I am a junior at the Orange County School of the Arts under the Integrated Arts Conservatory. And today I will be showing you how to do a special effects makeup tutorial on bullet wounds. Nothing screams Halloween than having a gore aspect in your outfits. So I thought doing a bullet wound would be fun and easy, as this is one of the first things that I've learned in special effects makeup. Let's go on with the materials. Now, most of these materials that I will be listing are from Ben Nye, but feel free to use any alternatives you can find. The materials you need are spirit gum, cotton pads, Vaseline, nose and scar wax, colors that help make a bruise, fake blood, paintbrush, and a stipple sponge. Optional concealer and foundation. Oh, and don't forget makeup wipes too. First is that you're going to take your spirit gum and you're going to apply it to an area where you want to put it. I choose the middle of my head. And then after that, take a whisper of cotton from your cotton pad and then apply it to the middle of where you put your spirit gum. Then put more spirit gum after that on top of where you put your cotton. Simple as easy. Then you take your nose and scar wax, take a little portion out of that, warm it up in your hands, and you should get a size pretty much like this. And if you want to color correct your wax, take a concealer or foundation and mix it all up. Be careful, it'll get sticky, but the end result will be good. Next, you'll be taking your Vaseline, rub it with your fingers, and then grab your wax and apply it on top of the spirit gum cotton concoction you made earlier. And then spread it outwards, making sure that there's a little hill in the middle, and it should look something like this. Afterwards, you need to blot out the excess Vaseline, and then take a paintbrush with Vaseline and make a hole in the middle of the hill you made. Then after that, wiggle that hole around until you get something outward like this, as it's an exit wound. Then after that, you need to go ahead and pull down your paintbrush to make a canal for the blood. Now we're moving on to coloring. So first take a misty violet color with the paintbrush and put it in the inner center and the inner sides of the bullet wound. Then afterwards, take a bloody burgundy color and apply it around the area of the bullet wound, making sure to get as much of the wax with that color as possible. Then use your hands and then blend both colors outwards from center, and don't be afraid to reapply any colors or make it more realistic to your own imagination. Use your creativity. Here's the fun part. So you take your fake blood and then you apply it to the middle, downwards onto the canal of your bullet wound. And this is where you gotta be creative. You can always manipulate the flow of where your blood is going down your face. And then afterwards, take your stipple sponge, wipe some blood on there and blot it on around your bullet wound, and also make some swipes here and there to make a really fun and cool look. Now here's the finished product, and here's a close-up of it. Again, this is a really fun and easy look for you guys to do on Halloween, and I really hope that you would do a lot of creative things with it. And it's also fun to go around the grocery store or any public place to freak a lot of people out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a spooky Halloween. See ya!